If your game is not installing on LDPlayer in 2026, yeah, that can be frustrating. But most of the time, it's a simple issue with storage, network, or settings, and you can fix it pretty quickly. First, make sure you have enough storage inside LDPlayer. I mean, if the emulator storage is full, the game won't install at all. Next, clear the Google Play Store cache. Corrupted cache files can block downloads and installations. After that, check your internet connection. Yeah, unstable Wi-Fi can interrupt downloads and cause install failures. Now, restart LDPlayer and try installing the game again. So, sometimes a quick restart fixes temporary download issues. If it still doesn't install, download the APK file and install it manually. This can bypass Play Store errors completely. You should also update LDPlayer to the latest version. Yeah, outdated versions can cause compatibility issues with newer games in 2026. If nothing works, uninstall LDPlayer and reinstall the latest version. I mean, this usually fixes deeper system or installation problems. And that's it. One of these fixes should get your game installing on LDPlayer without any issues, without any